enter into Tinkercad for the first time, it's probably going to look something like this. Okay, and you can go to Learn, click on Learn, and you can go to Starters. And I'm going to skip the first two because those are really, really basic. And we're going to go to the Move, the Rotate. If you click on See All, these are the four that I want you to do: the Move, the Rotate, the Scale. So move it, rotate it, size it up, and group it. Those four. And what you're going to do when you click on the lesson is you're going to complete the lesson, and then you'll take a screenshot of the completed lesson and paste it into this document here. So when you click on this document, it should ask you to make a copy of it, and it's going to look like this right here. So just put your name and then paste the screenshot for each of the four lessons and submit this into the Dropbox. All right, back to Tinkercad. Now, I realize that this is the lesson. It's going to give you the instructions over here. Right? Continue to the next step. That's easy. And now it wants you to move the different blocks, right? Left click and drag each box to one of the hints. So this is what it's asking you to do. It's asking you to drag it into here. What I realize is that you can obviously just skip over that and, oh yeah, the lesson's done, except it's really not, right? Because this is what the lesson should look like, and this is what it does look like. So even though you think you did that, you didn't. You got to reset it, all right, and perform each step so that when you take the screenshot, I can tell that it's actually done. Okay, I hope that makes sense. All right, so real quick, I will just show you. Over here on the right-hand side, there's going to be a whole bunch of predefined shapes and things, text that you can bring in. And that was the first lesson, is just bringing stuff and dropping it on the work plane. And then this is the one way to kind of view the objects, right? So if you want to look at the front of it, you want to look at the top of it, whatever it is, you want to look isometrically. So easy enough for those two. All right, so you're just going to perform this. You're going to click on the object. You're going to get it into the box. Now, if you're not sure, the wheel of the mouse, and it's going to help a lot if you have a mouse on your Chromebook. If you don't, I suggest trying to get one or borrow one. It's going to make your life a lot easier when it comes to using this program. So you can tell as I'm scrolling with the wheel of the mouse that I'm not actually in the box. All right, and I want to get it in the box, and then I can move on to the next one. Okay, if you guys have any questions, let me know.